Hey guys, this is Austin. Doing the recording for Module 8 discussion, computer ethics in the workplace. I apologize this is late, but I was driving across the country and figured you wanted to have it done right versus bouncing all over the road. Anyways, moving on, the computer ethics in a workplace has become kind of a hot topic in debate with several companies and several employees. Especially for military personnel. I know in this course we have several of you guys. Uh, don't know why this is here, but all right, going on. So military ethics and conflicts of interest. When it comes to computers, there's generally speaking, you can't be social. You can't be surfing social media or pulling up YouTube every chance you get, primarily because government computers are monitored with every keystroke and every swipe of a mouse. Big Air Force and the cyber warfare personnel are monitoring that and whatever you do on their computers. So if you're up on Facebook and that attracts viruses and opens that computer up to potential hacks and and invites the bad guys or the hackers a way into the government systems. So again, using government computers on Facebook or MySpace is a no-go. Furthermore, some companies don't like it when you bring home work with a flash drive because it can invite problems. So when you bring home work on that flash drive, though it may be harmless, as you can again bring on viruses to your work computer, which would affect your company, and then your bosses would not be happy. So even though you want to put in a few late hours at home, ask first before you bring a flash drive and plug it into your computer and download just a couple of extra files so you can work on it while enjoying a glass of wine versus hearing someone else across the way in a cubicle yelling at their spouse over the phone. So, computer monitoring is also another big deal with the computer workplace ethics. A lot of companies are starting to monitor the employees without the knowledge of the employee, which can cause some friction, and you're constantly being monitored for your behavior and what you're doing on that computer during company time. So be sure to ask your human resource manager and what you can and cannot do with your computer and what you can download, what you cannot download, and things of that nature. Anyways, this concludes my computer ethics in the workplace. Let me know what y'all think.